In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Adidas affiliate. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, signing up for the Adidas affiliate program can give you so many advantages. If you have a website, blog, or social media presence, and you're interested in promoting Adidas products, so as an affiliate, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. You'll receive a percentage of the sales price when someone makes a purchase after clicking on your affiliate link. Adidas is a well-known and trusted brand in the sportswear and athletic apparel industry, making it easier to promote their products to your audience. Now, many affiliate programs, including Adidas, provide affiliates with marketing materials such as banners, text links, and product feeds to help you effectively promote their products. Right? So, how to become an Adidas affiliate? First off, go to adidas.com, right? And then go to the affiliate program section. All right? So, here is a helpful guide for us to know more about the Adidas affiliate program. So at Adidas, they have the power to change lives through sports. And if you wanted to get creative and inspire others, so whenever you team up with Adidas, it's not just about earning commissions. It's about the commitment to the craft. So we inspire the athletic lifestyle. We focus on sport as the center to a person's health and happiness. All right, committing to higher standards. Our partners have the dedication and heart of an athlete, a person who puts in the work to do better themselves. Or are you an innovator? Do you inform? Do you inspire others? All right. So what I suggest for you to do is go here, all right, and read and understand all the information. And once you've done that, go to the apply now section. All right. We will be redirected to another window for us to sign up to their affiliate program. So here is you have to sign up and give some of your information like full name, email, username, and create a strong password. And if you have like a domain here, if you have like a website, if you're a blogger or an influencer or a content creator, you can put the links here. And if you are representing a company, you can put it here. Okay. Here are the commission index, right? And after doing that, sign up, and Adidas will send you a confirmation if you are successfully part of their affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.